to Calabe from Hesi. Back to Milan, fires. Airball put back by Lumbago. Glass David. Rebound out by Latafe, pass to Milianes. Milianes now stops the ball. And a good for two. David. And a long rebound by Calabe. Pass to Limbago, lays up, good for two. Pass to Limbago, open fires, rattles out. The big rebound by Lumbago, pass to Calabe, baseline jumper. The sweet jump. Back up the rebound, and a big rebound by Latafe. Pass to Milianes now, lays up, good for two. Pabalang with the spin. 14 second shot clock. Limbago, baseline drive, floater, good for two. Waiting for his teammates, finding his open man pass to Milar. To Kapatner baseline, good for two. The strong move there. Milianes now got a free throw, jumper short. Milianes will put back, blocked by Kapatner. 14 second shot clock. Baseline jumper of Vistal, swing two for Vistal. And intercepted by Milar. Milan pass to Pabalan, lays out, easy two for Pabalan. Batting for the ball, recovers by Calabe. Back to Milan, fires to deep, and again for three point. Baseline timber of Isdal, short, pass for the rebound. Long rebound by Campaner, pass to Limbago. To Calabe all alone, good for two. Calabe against Isdal, back to Milan. Top of the key, airball, put back. Calabe, basket is good. Steal 14-point lead. Latafe now with a jumper, bank shot, good for two. Off the screen, 14 second shot clock. 10, 9, 8. Milianes with a jumper. And out for two, Milianes. Pabala now with all the other end. Drives, good for two. Intercepted by Milar. To Pabala alone, good for two. 15. Milianes fires, good for two. Milianes. 10. Baseline, done it again. To Lumbago now all alone, good for two. Tagoy with a jumper, air ball. A big rebound by Campaner. Campaner now pass to Ganoy to Acres, good for two. And a drive, David. Rebound by Campaner, pass to Limbago, lays up, good for two. Here the second quarter running score 16-33. 17-point lead, Jimmy Carmen. Milianes a baseline drive, good for two. Is using the screen from Campaner. Milar with the ball, pass to Campaner, kick a pass to Limbago, fires, good. Put back by across over the glass, good for two. Latafe bound, pass to Angeles. Angeles now pass to Milianes, baseline jumper, sweet two for Milianes. Point lead, Jimmy Carmen. Intercepted by Milianes. The whistle blows and a foul. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, with a jumper, passes in, and a good for two. Crossman is open, man, pass to Pabalan. And a whistle blows. And a Cruz baseline jumper, no good. Pass to Tagro, Tagro pass to Milianes, lays off, good for two. Milianes. Pass to Vistal. Cross-court pass to Regidor off the glass, good for two. For 26-35. Still 9-point lead. And a good for 3 points. And it's over the ball, bounce pass. Back to Milianes, fires, not good. 25 seconds. And a good for two. 15 seconds. Calabe fires, good for 3 points. Calabe, big rebound by Campaner, pass to Lumbago. To Calabe, Calabe back to Lumbago, lays up, good for two. For pass to Milianes. To Regidor, fires deep. Bounces in, and a good for 3 points. Sabula. Calabe fires, not good. The rebound by Regidor. Taking away the ball, lays out, good for two. Lumbago. Pass to Lumbago, inside pass to Campaner. Off the glass, good for two for the base. Fires, overshoot. Rebound by Papala. To Calabe, one other shot, good for two. 35-47, 12-point lead. Lumbago now to Calabe, lays up, good for two. Papala. Papala na to Lumbago to Calabe, good for two. Taking out the other end against Papala to Vistal, fires to deep, and good for three play. Intercepted by Vistal, pass to Angeles. Angeles now lays up, good for two. Pass to Lumbago. Lumbagot. Inside pass to Campaner. Jumper. Reynolds in. Good for two. Pass to Milar. Top of the key. Air ball. Put back by Calabe. Good for two. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles with the ball against Mamalan. Angeles with the move. Laser. With a nice move there by Angeles. Good. Lumbago now stops the fires. And good for three. Rebound by Milianes. Milianes now up to the races. Pass to the guitar. To get the shot. Short. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass to Lantafe. Lantafe now in a move. To Vistal, fires deep, and good for three point. Pass to Robertson, recepted by Milianes to Taghoy. Back to Milianes to Taghoy. Off the glass, good for two, Taghoy. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Nice move there by Taghoy, good for two. Lumbago now all alone, good for two by Lumbago. Again. Milianes now to Lantafe. Recovers by Vistal. Back to Lantafe. 14 second shot clock. Vistal with a reverse. Lantafe reverse. Good for two. Lumay. Lumay now pass to Lantafe. Lantafe now with the ball. Free throw jumper. Good for two. Line strong. Milianes with the ball. Pass to Taghoy. Lays out. Good for two. 9, 8. Lambert's rattles out. Put back by Campaner. Bounces in. And the quarter. Lumbago now. Pass to Milan. Fires to deep. And again for three. Milan is now off the screen. Needs a pass. Intercepted by Campaner. Pass to Milan. Reverse. Good for two. Dribbling. Pass to Vistal. To Lantafe. Intercepted by Lamento Milar alone, good for two. Intercepted by Calabe, lays off, good for two. Atlas now finding Zaberman. 14 second shot clock, pass to Lantafe. Lose control, intercepted by Campaner, pass to Calabe, lays off. Basket is good for Calabe. Pass to Angeles. 14 second shot clock. Taghoy with a hezzy. Baseline drive. Good for two. Taghoy. Communication. Angeles now long pass to Milianes. Milianes with a jumper. Good for two. Milianes. 14 second shot clock. Milar baseline jumper. No good. Rebounds. Rebound by Campaner. Good for two.